Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and just wanted to let you guys know that this week is Ignite. Microsoft Ignite is a developer-focused conference, and it has all aspects of Microsoft products and services, from Windows to Office to Cloud, Azure, and everything is in there. I'll link this page, Microsoft.com Ignite page, where you can actually click on keynote viewings. You have live viewings of some of the keynotes that they have about different products and services. So depending on what you want, there's a on-demand where you can look at the different keynotes of different products. You have what's live now, and you have upcoming events of everything that is to arrive with their dates and times, mostly the times because it's dependent on the day that you are on today. So it goes from the 4th today, November 4th, to all the way to Friday, 5, 6, 7, Friday, November 8th. So 4th to 8th, and you will have there available all sorts of information. We hope to learn a lot more about what's going to happen with Windows 10. We already had a few little things that were announced today, including, and I talked about it in a separate video, Microsoft Edge Chromium coming on January 15th. Reviving of one of the surprising moves today is they decided to support again OneNote 2016. So all sorts of things, and if you're interested in what's happening in the Microsoft world, check that out. I will be posting probably a few videos this week that will be, if you don't want to watch keynotes or take the time to do all of that, or not really interested in watching those but want to know what happened, I'll be posting several videos through the week that will kind of highlight the important announcements of the Ignite conferences, and hopefully you'll enjoy these videos if you're interested in what's happening in the Microsoft sphere. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and a link to this page in the description below the video.